What's up, guys? Derek here, and I want to talk to you, or I want to show you the platform that I'm using for live streaming. If you want to use a similar platform, you can, but it's quite handy if you want to do live streaming. So it's called Ecamm Live, and I'm just going to go walk you through some of the highlights on the website. So first of all, what is it? So Ecamm Live is the all-in-one live streaming production platform for Mac. So you need to be using a Mac or an Apple computer in order to use this Ecamm Live or Ecamm platform. So basically it helps you to live stream to Facebook like I'm doing now. You can live stream directly to YouTube, to Periscope, to Restream.io, to Twitch, and to Switchboard. So those are the platforms where you can live stream to. So Ecamm Live puts the power of Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Periscope, and Twitch video streaming at your fingertips. Okay? So you basically have a broadcasting studio when you're using Ecamm Live. It basically looks like a broadcasting studio where you can plan your interview, or you can plan your live stream so that you've got different scenes, an introduction, maybe a countdown from 5 seconds to say you're about to start, maybe an intro video, and then you can use the built-in camera for the Mac, or you can have an external camera connected to it. I've got a Logitech connected, which is what I'm using, because the built-in camera is not very good. So I've got an external camera that I'm using. But you can also use any other camera besides the Canon T6i or the Logitech HD 1080p that I'm using. Sharing Safari with PIP, so you can share like I'm doing now. I'm sharing a website on the Brave website. On the Brave platform. And then you've got the powerful application on the Mac, which is, I'm going to show you now, which is this one here, the Ecamm Live app, and that's the one I'm using right now. And that's the Brave browser I was talking about earlier. And then I'm going to talk about most of these applications in the next few days. Okay. So you have the power of the application. You've got seamless platform integration, which means that you can integrate if you're streaming to Facebook business page or YouTube channel. You can schedule a broadcast in advance, and the app will take care of the details. And once you're live, you'll see audience size, you'll see comments, you will see reactions showing up right inside of Ecamm Live. And you can expand your reach with multi-streaming, which means you can integrate with Restream.io and Switchboard Live. Let's see if I can quickly go to these so you can see what they look like. So there is Restream.io. Means that with just one camera you can restream to other platforms such as Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, and I don't know these other ones. Okay. Then you also have the Switchboard Live, which is that, and they've got the background that I'm using right now. So Ecamm Live and Switchboard Cloud. Pick Switchboard as your streaming destination and Ecamm's Live destination. So you can actually stream to Switchboard Live, which then streams to other platforms. So it makes it easy. And this one is right within Ecamm, so that's a good thing. Then you have Skype guests. You can add Skype guests. So if you wanted to be part of this conversation, I would invite you on Skype, and he would come up right here. So if I had, say, 3 guests, then the 4 of us would appear. But you can have up to 5 guests, which means you can have up to 6 people on the live stream. But obviously it will depend also on the quality of the Skype calls, depending on where the person is. So add overlays to look, or to give you that pro look, and I'll show you just one here. An overlay. I think my website is gone. I'll go back to it in a minute. Right. So here's an example of an overlay. Ecamm Live. That's an overlay right there. Okay, and I can just remove it. I can put my Skype address right there, and I can tweak and change the background. I want a white background, and then I don't want a shadow, I want a light glow, so that it looks like so. Let's remove the background. So no background. That's better. Okay, so that's another overlay. You can remove that, and you can even put images. Okay. Entire screen, Brave browser. Let's put the Brave browser back. So there we go. Got the Brave browser back. You can put animations and countdowns like a proper studio. You can roll pre-recorded video. So say you've recorded a video in the gym or somewhere, and then you just roll it there. It's rolling while you speak, and you are in picture, live picture in picture, which is the next thing. So you can be part of the conversation. You can share your desktop with the people you're speaking to on Skype. Okay, 360 marketing squad. So Stephanie's their popular Facebook page. Okay, so this is an example of people who are using the application. There we go. This week in photos: Frederick Van Johnson, Mike and Jennifer Welland, Adrian Salisbury, CG Media, Bradley Vincent, Roller Hockey, All Saints Anglican Cathedral. Okay, so basically you can build an audience by announcing your broadcast in advance. Local recording, which means every broadcast is automatically saved to your Mac. Comments and reactions, which means there's no need to leave the app to see the latest comments from Facebook, YouTube, and Periscope. So let me see if I can actually show you what I'm seeing here. Ecamm Live, camera effects, Skype helper, go quick, comments and reactions. Let me see camera effects. Okay, so this is some of the things that I see when so that's the background. That's what I'm looking at. So you can also use the Canon DSLR, Blackmagic Design, native support for devices using Blackmagic Design for also free HDMI input. And you got network NDI, which means NDI video sources show up in the camera switcher automatically, so you can switch cameras. So if I'm on Skype with somebody, for example, I can switch cameras with my camera here and the Skype camera and any other cameras. Okay, the screen sharing, I've talked about that. Play pre-recorded videos, picture in picture, split screen, Skype guest live camera switching, adding a finishing touch, text overlays, image overlays, comment overlays, which means you can bring comments right into the conversation and then you can comment on them, because that's the whole point of doing a live stream, is to communicate with people. So as soon as this live streaming, if I keep doing this, it's going to grow, and then I'm going to start interacting more and more with people who are actually watching. So from time to time I can just check see if there are any comments, and if they are, then we can discuss the comments. You got green screen backgrounds, which is how you're able to see that background, okay, behind my picture. That's because of the green screen. Virtual webcam, which means your Ecamm Live, you can use their features in any Mac video app, and that's if you with the Pro version. And then direct video out, again monitor your broadcast on a connected display, and that's the Pro version only as well. Okay, so I've come to the end of just the home page, okay, of the ecammlive.com, ecamm.com/mark/ecamm live. Okay, so if you've got questions or comments, just put them in the comment section and I will cover them in the next live stream. And hopefully these live streams are going to happen on a daily basis. And I also do another one for the Facebook group, Director Former Media. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.